Hello, my name is Kristen Hutchins, and I'm the President and CEO of GuideStar Clinical Trials Management. Our company's mission is to enable and support community hospitals' participation in clinical research, and part of this effort includes educating our partner hospitals on changes within the healthcare industry. Because of GuideStar's expertise and sole focus on clinical research programs, we've been getting questions about what the Sunshine Act means and how it will impact current research operations and physician participation in research. Let's get started with the background. The Sunshine Act is Section 6002 of the Affordable Care Act, and its official title is Transparency Reports and Reporting of Physician Ownership or Investment Interests. Just as the title suggests, this act was intended to increase the transparency of financial relationships between industry, drug and device companies, and healthcare providers, hospitals, and physicians. The Sunshine Act requires pharmaceutical and medical device companies and manufacturers to report any payments made to physicians and teaching hospitals, as well as any ownership or investment interests held by physicians or the immediate family members of physicians on an annual basis. This information will be reported to the Center for Medicaid and Medicare Services, CMS, beginning August 1st, 2013. CMS will publish the first round of data on a public website beginning September 30th, 2014. It is important to note that hospitals and physicians will have the opportunity to review and dispute the information submitted to CMS before it is made public. So what does this mean for hospitals and physicians conducting research? Well, the Sunshine Act will now require the reporting of payments made as compensation for time and effort involved with leading clinical trials. It is understood that payments made as part of clinical trials are different than those made as part of less structured relationships between pharmaceutical companies and physicians and hospitals. The information reported about these financial relationships will include the name of the hospital and/or principal investigator, primary business address, name of the study, and names of related drugs and products. There is good news. A recent survey indicated that the Sunshine Act reporting will not deter physicians from participating in clinical research. 77% of respondents said that the Act would have no impact on their research activity, and 9% of respondents said they will participate in more research as a result of the new regulations. In order to comply with the Sunshine Act requirements and ensure pharmaceutical and medical device companies report accurate information about the hospital and the physicians, the team at GuideStar has outlined 3 key steps hospitals and physicians conducting clinical trials should take. First, review conflict of interest policies, procedures, and disclosure mechanisms to determine that they are consistent with the Sunshine Act and the applicable state reporting rules. Second, educate physicians on their reporting requirements for payments made to them by pharmaceutical and medical device companies, as well as clinical trial sponsors. Lastly, implement processes to monitor the accuracy of payments reported to CMS by pharmaceutical and medical device companies. Thanks for taking the time to learn more about the Sunshine Act, what the Act means for hospitals and physicians, and some ways to prepare for the financial disclosures as a result of the Act. GuideStar is committed to enabling community hospitals to succeed in the clinical research space, and this involves staying informed of changes in the healthcare industry. GuideStar Clinical Trials Management works with hospitals and health systems around the country to build, manage, and support clinical research programs. From helping hospitals incorporate a clinical trial strategy to actually managing the research operation through a co-sourced model, our service delivery is based on operational and financial best practices to ensure optimal results for research programs.